So before that, I'm going to introduce you to the concept of poetic devices. Okay? So our topic is about poetic devices. So the first poetic device which I'm going to introduce is personification. Personification. So personification means it actually gives inanimate objects human qualities. For example, I would say an example, the teapot sang, the wind whispered. These are examples of poetic devices. So these things the human qualities. And an example would be teapot sang. The next poetic device would be simile. So simile is actually a comparison. We compare a thing to another using the terms like or as. So it is a comparison. Using the terms, I will use another color. Like or as. So, for example, we can say she sang like a nightingale. That is an example of simile. Then another example would be as sweet as honey. That is an example for simile. Another poetic device is metaphor. So metaphor is also a comparison between two things, but here they did not use like or as anything or those type of words. They do actually directly compare. So they say that one thing is another. There is no like or as using. It's a direct comparison. Direct comparison. means this person, the forest. Correct. Sit down. Then I want an example for singing. Jasmine. My teacher is like an angel. My teacher is like an angel. Very good. Sit down. Then the last one. Metaphor. Ashwati, can you give an example? Metaphor. It's a direct comparison. You don't have to use like or as. Metaphor, not like it. Then look at the example. Here, say she is an angel. If it is simple, it would be she is like an angel. So it is a direct comparison.